put away. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. Put that right here. That. Water. Pistachios. I don't know if you guys like pistachios, but they're so good. They're like a power snack. You needed that. It's getting pretty warm. Here you go, birdies. Man, these are good. Just keep going straight forward. You got like this much. No worries. Just don't move your steering wheel. Just keep it straight. Keep going just straight forward. You will clear, yeah. Oh, this your car? Oh, okay. No, I'm in that boat there. I was just gonna help her out. So, but you got like 3, maybe 6, 7 inches. Tight spots you got ourselves into there. So yeah, it's a big truck and a big trailer. She said it was her first time, but she nailed it. Good job. 1, 2. Mic test, mic test. Well, leaving the boat ramp. This was perfect. Perfect. Other than the motor acting up a little bit. Not expected. I had it out the other day and it was doing fine, so strongest vote is going to be bad gas. I kind of did a whole rebuild on the ignition system on this motor some years ago. I don't know, 2-3 years ago. Put new coils in it and a stator and timed it. You know, did all the things that needed to do. Had the carburetors rebuilt some years ago. Fouled plugs, or the plugs are not shooting enough spark out. I'm gonna go first with or 2 that the fuel has gone bad, so pump out the existing fuel, about 10 gallons of fuel in it right now. Clean the tank, put in a new water separator filter. Hopefully that'll take care of the problem. Now if it isn't those 2 things, then there's a possibility that one of the coils is broken or not putting out enough spark. Because it's not running bad, meaning that something is out of time. It's just sputtering, so it means that it's starving for something. It's either spark, fuel, or air. I'm done talking. Good night. Come on, baby. There we go. So I got some new stuff for it. Yeah, I was running all shitty the other day. And
Coast Guard approved.
Too. I guess by law you're supposed to have a flag when you're in the water. Yeah, so it's one of these guys here. Hope it's the right one. It sits right here, down there. I need to get a ladder. Hopefully this doesn't fall over on me here. Oh, yeah, I loosened it up a little bit yesterday. Get messy. Yep. That's fuel. Doesn't smell too bad. Doesn't smell too bad. Now the trick is, am I going to be able to prime it without refilling it again? There we go. I think this it goes on this way. I knew that was going to happen. Everything's flying. Try not to break this camera. Is that better? Yeah. Well, that's kind of odd placement for it. I might just see. Hand tighten it. Come on, baby. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6.5 turns, seem like. Yeah. That's pretty tight down here. So the next part of the thing here, I'm gonna connect the little guy here. Now, see if we can siphon the gas back up in here. Well, the bulb feels pretty tight, so I feel pretty good about this. And the boat store sold me this flag. I can be a flagger. I'll put a little my special juice on it. Oh, there you go. Like that. Now I got a flag. How cool is that? Let's see, what else do we got to do? I think we got to move the car down. I'm just going to put the camera right here.
Set up and these old.
Let's see. That works. And of course, it's on the other side. I need the little water sock for the motor. This little guy here connects to the hose. I don't know if I can do this without. No, can't do it. It's hard to do with these flex hoses. There we go. I was too lazy to go turn it off. There we go. Getting soaked. Motor's down. Probably need to turn the power on. Like, see, right there. Yeah, so then it just squirts the water right there. It's just for the intake. I'll pump it really good. Pump it right there. I hope I don't have to pull the filter to prime it, because I don't have any fresh fuel to mix into it right now. It's good exercise for my hands. You can see it? Right there. Gotta get this bulb. See if we can fire it up. Give it a little bit. I probably should have primed it. I think I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to go get some starter fluid. Pull the hood off. Yeah, so just a little bit of sauce. See if we can get it going. If it didn't backfire. There we go. Probably go close the door into my house before I fill everything up. Yeah, there's the gold wing. Kind of taking a little break from that these days, being all excited about the boat. Probably pull these plugs here. Looks good. I think I replaced the plugs in it about a year ago. I think I should be able to do this without pulling the filter. Just may have to do a million pumps on it. I wonder if I pull this off, it makes it any better. Closes it up. Maybe not. See? See if it sucks it up. Yeah, it's all sputtering and it's angry at me. Yeah, that's a lazy way of priming the fuel filter. Oh, there it is. Now the bulb is getting tight again. It's got to get the suction from the motor. Ah, we're like tight now. Let's see. Should fire up right now. Oh yeah. Not smoking anymore. Normally a pretty good indicator if something is wrong with the fuel. It's smoking pretty hard. See how it does. I also got new rope for it. We're gonna take it out for a test run and got a 25-footer. My other rope had caught the prop the other day. Well, not the other. Oh. We got a nice rope now. Bulb is tight. See it right there? Yeah, my neighbors are probably hating me right now. Let's clear out some of that old fuel out of the carbs. I didn't mess up the timing on it. gonna check those spark plugs. I think that'd be a good idea. Let's see, what do we need for that? Need one of these. Oh, we get a small extension too. And size for these again. That size? Maybe these guys here. That's one of these two. That's a big one. Out there. Nope, that's the wrong way. Okay. Nice and loose. Not too bad. Not too bad. I don't know why I get so stressed out when these cameras are on. Not like anybody's watching this. Yeah, I historically don't like to work on things when I'm filming. Big kudos to you people who can film and do videos or work on your stuff at the same time. And also too, I haven't been using the Quicksilver oil. I've been using the Lucas two-stroke. Runs a little differently with the Lucas in it. I don't know, I could be wrong. Give this one here one more little snug. And the last one here. Yeah, this thing had a full tune-up here about 2 years ago. Oh, the new fuel pump, new coils, wire plugs. I think I even put a new stator in it. Snuggy snug. What's up, done? Yeah, I'm mixing languages right now. Let's see if this thing fires up again. Sounds good to me. Well, I put the new water separator filter in it. Oh, hello everyone. I'm gonna go for a little test run on the boat.